Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to solve a program to find common element between two lists using the Java 8 Stream API. So for example, if we will take some input like list 1, apple, banana, grape, orange, and then we will take second list, and in the second list we will contain the value here banana, grape, kiwi. So we will get the common element like banana and grape. So in this program we will compare with that first and second element, and we will find that common element. So I will compare with that both the elements. So I will take the first element, and then I will compare with the second element, so apple and matching. If so, now I'm going to write logic for this program. I open the IntelliJ and created a class here, and I keep class name find common element, and giving the program number. This is that 45 program number, and in this program we need to create that list, but before we need to write the main method. So I'm just going to write here main. So you can see that I just write here public static void main string args, and in this main method we need to take the two input h list. So now I'm going to create a list. So I will use list, and you can see h for example and sample input. We need to take that a string. So I will keep here string, and I will keep that as a list one. So now here I'm going to use that arrays class, and in this arrays class we will get that h list method to create the blank list, and in this list we need to pass the value. So I'm just going to copy this value here, and I will slice or paste inside a list. Now I'm going to import this list interface. So I'm just clicking here import class, and similarly I need to create one more list. So I just writing here list, and I will keep HS type as a string, and I will keep as a list 2. So I will similarly I will create arrays dot as a list, and in this list we need to pass that sample of the second list hello. So I just pasted here. So now we need to write the logic to find the common element. So but you can see here that common element, and also we know that if we are using in this program set, so the set are always containing that unique value. So I will create a set to store that value here. So in this set we need to pass the element type. So I will pass here the string, and I will keep like a common list element, and so I just created here so here spelling mistake, yeah, common list element. And so now we need to check that. So you can see here I have that list 1 and list 2. So firstly I will take the list 1 because this is the main list. So I will keep list 1 dot. So list 1 dot. So we need to use the stream API. So I will use the stream method to convert like a string list to a stream, and then here we need to use like that filter, like we need to make the condition here. So I will use here the filter. So in this filter we need to use we need to pass the predict. So I will pass here like so as a predict I will pass here list 2, and so list 2 having that list. So in this list we will get that a contain method here. So I will just call that contains. So you can see here having that list 1, and here using that inside a list 1 and just comparing with the value is list 2. So list 1 contains list 2 value, so it's comparing from that list 1 to 2. So this is the main value, so it will compare with that list 1, the like apple equals banana, then it will compare like apple equals grape, and then comparing with that apple equals to kiwi. Then here we need to collect that value. So I will use here collect, and so here I will use collect, and in this method we need to collect that result. Like if you see that a variable I just created the set. So here here I'm going to use the collectors utility class, and in this class we will get the to set method. So I will just use this method, And now I'm going to just open with the semicolon to terminate the line. And friend, I just completed here all the logic. Now I'm going to print this result. So I will use here system.out.println. So right now I'm using that integer. We know that shortcut key. So I just use here system.out.println. So I will use here, like here we need to use like a small s, so to get that value system.out.println. So here I will write some message like common list elements, and giving the colon, and then I will print here that value common list element. So now I'm going to run this class. So I'm just clicking here and just to run. So friend, you can see here that I got the common element like banana and grape. Thank you friend, and I will post the code in the Git repository, and I will mention the link into the description of this video. Thank you friend for your time and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.